Let's take a moment to look at the power of Intellect AI's Smart button. What this allows you to do is look at anything on this page, any file, or any data set, and use generative AI to analyze it. So let's go ahead and build out a scenario together. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add a new macro button. Then we'll move it to where we want it. And just like other macros, we'll go to Properties and open up the builder. This time, we'll open up our Run AI task. First thing we're going to do is add the AI assistant description, essentially the persona of how we want this answered. Then we're going to put in our request. So what we want it to do is look at the title, the category, the description, and a file field, and just give us a summary of that. So we'll put in the field types. So we'll start off with title, then we'll add category, details, and file. So you'll notice I put in file in double quotations. That way we are telling the prompt to look at a specific field, and in this case, we're actually going to grab that document from the field named file. So we'll go to our application here, and we'll grab the file field, which you can see here is just named file. And then finally, we will finish off our prompt. Then we'll go ahead and tell it where we want it to put the response. So we have the summary field, and we'll place it there. Once that's done, we can look it over, click OK, and save it. Let's get out of design mode and give this a try. Now that this is done, all we do is click on the button. Let's take a look at this. This isn't exactly what we wanted here, right? This is a lot more information. So this shows the intricacies of using generative AI. So we've got to make it a little bit more focused so that the generative tool works better. So let's go back to design mode. And this time, let's go ahead and actually say, let's look at the file first, right? So review file in addition to these fields and summarize it. Limit to 30 words or less. So we're being very prescriptive here with this response. So let's see if that dials it in better. Okay, out of design mode, let's click it one more time. So there we go. That's a little bit more what we were looking for. So hopefully this quick tutorial gave you an idea of how you can use this AI generative tool throughout all of your applications. If you have any other questions as you get started, don't hesitate to reach out.